Okay, all right, I have another video like this, and they're basically rolled up. After you use up, mostly it should use, I use like about, I would say about 12 ounces of rice altogether, and this is like a one bunch, but I got them at the farmer's market. One bunch of the collard greens, which was only for $2, and then I got my cabbage at the store, a half a cabbage, and sometimes they'll cut half a cabbage, so that's half a small cabbage. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pour some stock over that. If you want to make it vegan, of course you can use the vegan, and then I'm just going to allow it to simmer for about a good 45 minutes, and yeah, that's going to simmer for a while, and I might make a lemon sauce for it, but then I might not. I kind of want, you know, you just kind of put it on a, I'd say a medium. And you want to wait until they caramelize on the bottom, lightly caramelize, and that's going to be really good. I'm going to cover it for about a good half hour. I'd say about, yeah. So they should cook for a while, because by the time they finish, they should be very, very tender. In the meantime, I have my cornbread, and then I may not even need to saute meat, but I'm going to go ahead and do it just to have it, because I have a friend that I want to share my meal with. And sometimes when you just have, if you don't have anything else to give someone, I think a good, nice, good meal comforts the soul. So especially if they're going through a lot. So anyways, yeah, so that's what I'm making, and hopefully that'll help you. And I'm just a little tired, and it's spring, so you know, the beginning of spring, so I could feel it, and that'll be it. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that real quick, and hope you try it, and I'll talk to you later. I have a cornbread recipe. I just kind of winged it. So it was my from my father's the cookbooks that he had sent me. I'll give you a real quick snap of it. You can pause it, and I fiddled around with it, and that's the cornbread. And then I just added some chili peppers to it. Instead of the buttermilk, I added sour cream, and I added cream corn to make it like a little bit like an Indian pudding. I don't know if you've heard of that, an Indian pudding. It's really good. So it's on the sweeter side, and not so much butter though. Probably 1 stick of butter, and not even a whole stick. But anyways, it does have butter in it. But be very careful. All right, we'll talk to you later. All right, bye-bye.